My name is Taylor Butts, and I am currently finishing my last semester in JHU's Master of Communications. And this is my lightning talk. Today we're going to take a new spin on an established concept, conscious consumerism. This is the idea that with every dollar we spend, we cast votes for the behaviors we support in brands. It can be a powerful tool, but it can also be a little exclusive. Not everyone can practice conscious consumerism, and those that can have limits to how they can utilize the concept. There's another way to practice it, though, without necessarily spending money, and that's through thinking about your data story. We fight so hard every day to protect our data. All of it. From social security numbers to social media posts, people are constantly seeking the best way to protect themselves. Here's the thing though. Your data is being collected in more ways than you could possibly imagine. Third-party cookies backfill your history and follow you around the internet until you clear your cache. Programmers write code that crawls social media accounts and collect and code posts based on keywords. Apps and games we download gain access to our IP address, pinging all other devices in our household, and then have the ability to mine all kinds of data. Credit cards from places like Banana Republic or Home Depot track your purchases and build a psychographic profile of you based off of it. And then there are the innumerable invisible geofences that we walk and drive through every day that ping our location data and track our movements in order to gain an understanding of our daily routines, where we work, and who we interact with. We've been asking ourselves the burning question, is our data protected? Well, I'm here to finally give you an answer. No, it's not. But this burning question that we've been focusing on is the wrong one. Instead, we should be asking, why do brands want our data in the first place? What are they doing with it? And the whole reason brands want our data is to understand who we are and what we want as consumers so that they can tailor their products and brands to our tastes. If we are conscious about about what our data says about us, and we make choices to tell a very deliberate data story, then we can change the behaviors of large brands who have a global impact due to their reach. If you can't buy cleaning products from a brand like Grove over P&G, then the simple act of searching for eco-friendly cleaning products every once in a while will signal to brands that you are thinking about the environment. If brands are crawling social media accounts, then make your account public and start posting about climate change. If we walk through geofences every day that track our location, then go to climate change rallies, go to conferences, go to marches. If you have a credit card that is put out by Synchrony Bank or another data collection company, use it to only buy eco-friendly products. If we all think consciously about the data that's being collected from us and act accordingly, then we can change the consumer trends that big brands see, causing them to change their behaviors in order to better target their audience. Brands collect our data because they want to know what we truly want. So let's use our data to tell them that what we want is for them to take action and fight climate change. Thank you.